Hello, my name is Gray. I had the pleasure of attending the Root Healing Iboga experience in Portugal over the summer, and I took a couple weeks to really digest what happened in order to better communicate why, if you feel called to it, you should sit with this medicine with these providers. The medicine is something incredible. It's different than other plant medicines. It is not going to take you somewhere else. It's not going to take you outside of yourself for answers. It brings you deep within so that you can experience yourself, maybe for the first time, in order to really process the healing that you need and search for the answers that you look for. I felt very attended to and cared for while I was there. The providers are pretty incredible with all the different backgrounds of experience that they bring to the table. They not only teach you about the medicine itself and how it works within your body, but they teach you about the origins, the Bwiti people who have worked with it for generations, and why and how they came to use the medicine the way they did. Being able to ask more scientific questions with people who've been trained in the modern medical field gave me a lot of comfort. The scenery in Sintra was magical. Some days we were able to go out and enjoy the nature, the mountains or the beach, and there's just a different kind of healing that happens when you're out there walking around in that landscape. I was searching for answers. I was searching my soul for tools to better be equipped with how I want to live my life in the future, and I needed clarity and alignment with myself on how I was going to get there. Everyone that I was there with came from different parts of the world. We were from different corners with different purposes. Everything from healing from past traumas to dealing with addiction and the myriad of other concerns or self-discoveries that they wanted to have. We all left hugging each other, knowing that we had found something incredible here in this experience that made a difference, sustainable difference in breaking the loops and moving forward, being happier, and moving into life with love as the lead, rather than with fear pushing us from behind. And I feel like so many of us are looking for that. So if you feel called to sit with this medicine, I can't recommend Root Healing enough. This is a team of professionals who know how to work with this medicine and get real results for you in whatever capacity you're looking for healing. So please give them a call and find out for yourself why Root Healing is different.